Here's my full-on review of this mini black microphone that I got from Amazon.com using my Swagbucks account. If you want to see the unboxing of this, click right here. And so here we go. To start off, it's very small size. I'll just show you right here how big it is. It's about 3 apps lengths apart. Another good example is, here is a AAA battery. It's pretty good size to it. It's just about the same, but not exactly. You take the cap off right here, just like that, and this is the actual microphone right here. It goes into your headphone jack, which is located down here if you're an idiot and don't know where that is. So right there is where the speaker microphone part actually is, where the mic takes in the sound. So you basically would just plug this in here, and then you would use it. Here is the cap of it. There's actually just a little bit to talk about with this. On the inside it has like little claw type things. I don't know if you can see that through the light of it. You probably might be able to tell, I'm not sure. And then right here at the top it has like a little loop. You can probably see it right there. See it? Right here. That's for if you want to put like a piece of string through there and then put it through here. Or some cases might have like a little loop right here that you can actually hook it onto so you never forget it. But so put the cap over here. And so start off, it's kind of a drag because it pops out, so it's not very neat. But then again, if you have headphones, it's a little bit nicer because it doesn't get tangled. But we'll just show you an example of it. Click record. And now we're recording with the black microphone right now. Let's do a test. 1, 2, 3 of this. Test. This is just to show you that it works. And then we'll click stop. Now the stupid thing about this is if you come in here and play, you can't hear anything. You have to unplug the microphone and play. Okay, now it is a drag for stuff like that you do have to unplug it from your iPod and then play, especially for apps like IMT Pain, or even calling apps, like if you're on Skype or something, you're trying to have a chat like that. But it's weird because some apps you don't have to unplug it from the iPod for it to work. Like Talking Carl, you don't have to unplug it, it'll still speak it through the speakers. I don't know why that is, but maybe it's just so you, I don't know, I really don't know. But that's basically my review on this. It's pretty cool. I would buy it again. But I would recommend getting headphones with a microphone if you're wanting to use it for apps like IMT Pain or calling someone. But if it's just for recording stuff like that, it's a pretty good app, or not app, sorry, pretty good device right here. So check it out. Thanks for watching, and see ya.